Ineffective.
Challenging.
Effective.
Boring.
Collaboration.
I could have been sleeping all day. I felt a little bit alone. I was with my family at home.
It was very difficult for me, I have to say, because I had to find many different activities or different ways how to approach students.
I found it amazingly effective in some ways because students didn't have to go to school. They could have worked on their own at the time which they chose, and I had a chance to make materials which were much more efficient.
Online learning was a really great option during the pandemic, and it gave us opportunity to challenge ourselves and also learn new things.
You can't learn face-to-face.
When we were playing some games, I think it was Kahoot. And the second activity that I like, it was the Google form.
Applications like Kahoot, quizzes, Quizlet. But I found some new applications, for example, WordNet or Word Puzzle, live worksheets. That was a great one.
I liked Google Forms. Jamboard was amazing. Quizzes also, and a lot of other apps.
For example, Jamboard, Padlet, WordNet.
The best application for me is Kahoot, Quizlet also, and I don't think Google Forms are good to learn. I think it's just for work or stuff like that.
While they were writing the test, and also I limited the time so that they didn't have much time to look for answers elsewhere.
Cheating, it was, I think, challenge for everybody, at least for every teacher. I also used Google Forms, and students had to have videos on and also audios. And thanks to this, I found a new world of Discord, because I think it was the most used platform for cheating for students actually. So they also learned me some things.
In online learning or online teaching is the assessment process, and of course it's very challenging to monitor if nobody would, cheat. But I believe that there are definitely tools and good practices that we can learn from, so that we can actually ensure the transferable process of that. At this moment, from my practice, I did not have that easy to be done, but I believe that it exists. I think online tools, we're like in the ocean. There are so many of them. It's a question when and how we can learn about it. And I do believe that there exist these platforms. Just need to find out the best one.